Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Hsieh, advisor of the South Bay Taiwanese Association. Yes, I do echo all the previous VIPs' remarks to welcome you to the 10th annual of Bay Area Taiwanese Lantern Festival. The festival, not just to recall all the sweet memory for seniors, but also to educate our younger generation of Taiwanese culture. In Taiwan, we do celebrate the festival. We enjoy setting off the firecracker and also carrying the lantern in the neighborhood area with friends. I have promoted the Taiwanese culture for years, since 1993. I'm the founder of the Bay Area Taiwanese Culture Festival and also the founder of the Asian American Federation of California. We celebrate the Asian Festival in May. Every participant ethnic group, they promote their own traditional culture. I'm so delighted that the South Bay Taiwanese Association has carried on the torch of promoting Taiwanese culture. There's a lot of wonderful programs tonight. I'm sure you will like them all. Please relax and have your drink and popcorn ready. You're going to watch a wonderful presentation. I hope you and your family will enjoy it. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.